This video will explain how to do some basic tasks in Angel and will allow you to navigate the first year experience Angel group that we have set up. First thing you have to do is, of course, log on to Angel. Before you can actually log on to Angel, you have to authenticate your identity through the Penn State Web Access System. If you've already done this, then you can go straight to Angel, but if you haven't, you need to enter your user ID and your password. You will then see in the menu a list of the services that use web access, and one of them is indeed the Penn State Course Management System, which is known as Angel. You'll see up here in the address bar of the browser the cms.psu.edu address, which stands for Course Management System. You can also type in angel.psu.edu and it'll bring you to exactly the same place. But you'll notice here I'm still not logged on. You'll also notice there's a big red X here. Right now, most of the browsers, Firefox, Internet Explorer, and others as well, are updating more frequently. And so you're more likely now to see this warning message. I have not so far had any problems with any version of Firefox in using Angel, but you may need to experiment. But you'll notice here that the default is to log on as a Penn State person. So that's what we want to do. When you log on as a Penn State person, you will come to your main profile page. Mine may look a little bit different than yours because I went into here where it says Edit Page and I rearranged everything because I like to have my mail right here in the upper left so that I can see what messages are waiting for me. And then here in the center, I have the courses that I'm teaching. You should see somewhere on your profile page all of the courses you're taking this semester where the faculty are using Angel and they've activated the course. The first year experience group that we have put together for Penn State Greater Allegheny students is in the groups section. And so you may need to scroll down until you find the group that you're looking for. When you are ready to enter the Penn State Greater Allegheny First Year Experience group, you simply click on the link and you will be taken to the content area. You will notice that right now we have not revealed the content for this group, so it looks like there's nothing here. When you actually log on yourself, you will see a list of items. To show you the best way to navigate inside of Angel, I'm showing you right now what my Seg 100 Angel course looks like to students. And you can see that the lessons are displayed here. So of course you could click on Unit 1 and see what's available here, but there's a better way to do this. There's a little tiny tab over here on the left in between the main lessons content and the home button. If you click on that little tiny tab, it will show you the sidebar. And you'll notice that you can navigate not only to the same places that are up here on the tabs, so we have the syllabus, the calendar, the lessons, and so forth, but there's also a view of everything that's in the lessons. And so if I wanted to, I could expand everything and then I could navigate back and forth from one area to another. Another feature that's very useful is the tasks option. Right now I have entered the due dates for several assignments for the first unit, and so these are showing up here on the taskbar with their due dates. And so as you complete each of these assignments, you can check them off and they'll disappear from your taskbar. There's also a What's New option so that you can see what's new since the last log on. Obviously there's nothing new since the last time I logged on. The last feature I want to show you in Angel is what's called the report. This is really important if your instructor is using Angel to report grades to you. You'll notice that when you click on the report tab or the report option on the sidebar, it shows you your username and it also shows you learner profile and activity logs. Those are not the most useful parts of the report. So what you want to do is pull down the first menu and choose grades. That will then automatically change the report to student grades, and again your username should still be there. But you may have noticed there's nothing here. And so it does tell you, if you're looking down wondering where the grades are, to press the Run button to run a new report. This is a little awkward. So you click the Run button, and obviously since I'm not really a student in this class and so I haven't done any assignments, I don't currently have a grade. But if I were a student, I would get a report that showed a list of all the assignments and which ones I had done and which ones had been graded. It also gives you the option to save the report, which is probably a good idea because as you get new grades, this report may change.